Good morning, everyone. Today we will continue Unit 1, Lesson 1, but today Part 2. Okay, you remember last time we talked about some free time activities, right? Like what, remember? Yeah, I hear you. Playing video games, right? Playing football, okay. Playing music and the piano, okay. Meeting up with your friends, painting, and other activities, of course, okay? After that, we talked about some idioms in English, like I can't stand, or I prefer something to something else, or I'm good at something, or I'm hopeless at something. This is what we talked about last time, and I trust you. I'm sure you studied this. Today, in Part 2 of Lesson 1, we have something easy, like a revision. Okay, if I want to ask you about your habit, if you want to ask someone about their habit, what's the meaning of habit? Habit means something that you usually do, okay? We use this form, this easy form. Question word like what, when, where, how. This is question word. And then do you, and then verb. Verb without any additions, without ing, without s, without anything. Okay? So this is a fixed form of questions to ask about habits. Question word, and then do you, and then verb. Let's see the examples. What? Question word. Do you like doing when you have got some free time? So we have a question word what, and then do you, and then like, question verb without any additions. Teacher, you see doing here, it has ing, and you said the verb without any additions. Yes, I said the verb without any additions after do you, and we have like without any additions. But after like, any verb takes ing like this, okay? Let's see another example. Who do you spend your free time with? Who, question word, and then do you, and then spend, and we complete, okay? The next question, which places do you like going to? So I think this is easy. We have a fixed form to ask someone about their habit, right? Okay, so let's practice. Okay, we have a question. Rearrange the following words to make a correct question. Who will answer this question? Me? Of course, no. You will answer this question now with me. You should have a paper and a pen or a pencil. I'll show you the question. You write the answer and then we check it now, okay? So be ready, please. This is question 1. Number 1, do, sleep, when, question mark, and you. I'll let you half a minute to answer this. Let's see and check the answer. The answer is when do you sleep, and then don't forget the question mark. Okay? When do you sleep? As we said, question word, and then do you, and then the verb in the base form without any additions. Let's see question 2. Number 2, eat, what, question mark, do, like, you, too. You can pause now, write the answer, and then check it with me. Let's check the answer together now. The answer is what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? What, question word, do you, and then like, verb in the base form, and we complete to eat. And if you forget the question mark, you lose marks. You have to write it, okay? So, what do you like to eat? The next question, number 3, live, do, question mark, where, you. Think and write the answer. Okay, the answer is where do you live? Where do you live? So question word, do you, and then verb in the base form. I think this is very easy, very clear for you. Okay, let's move to the next part. This part, in this activity, he says what to us? He says read questions 1 to 4. We have 4 questions, and then match with the correct answer, A to D. What does it mean? We have 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have 4 answers. Answer A, and answer letter B, and answer letter C, and answer letter D. You have to read the question and match each question to the right answer from these answers. Let's read the questions and the answers, and then I'll let you think and answer in your paper, okay? Question 1. What do you like doing when you have got some free time? Question 2. Do you prefer doing activities inside or outside? Question 3. When you go out, which places do you like going to? Question 4, and the last question, who do you spend your free time with? Okay, these are the 4 questions. Let's read the 4 answers. Answer letter A. Both, really. It depends on what I feel like doing, but I can't stand wet weather. So I then stay inside, okay? Answer letter B. I have got 3 or 4 close friends who I play basketball with. I also like meeting up with my cousins who live nearby, okay? Answer letter C. I love drawing and playing my guitar. My 2 best friends also play the guitar quite well. But I think I'm better at playing than them, okay? The last answer, D. I really like being outdoors, like in parks or on the beach, but not for sports. I'm hopeless at ball games. Now, you can pause this video, think about the answers, write them, and then after you write them, you check the answers with me like we do every time. Okay? Let's check the answers. These are the answers. Question 1, we match it to answer letter C. Question 1, what do you like doing when you have got some free time? This is question number 1. Answer letter C, he says, I love drawing and playing my guitar. My 2 best friends also play the guitar quite well, but I think I'm better at playing than them. So, question 1, answer letter C. Okay? Question number 2, answer letter A. Question number 2, let's read it. Do you prefer doing activities inside or outside? The answer letter A, both, really. Both. He means inside and outside. And he completed. He said, it depends on what I feel like doing, but I can't stand wet weather. So then I stay inside. Okay? Question 3. We match it to letter D, the answer letter D. So 3D, okay? The question 3 says, when you go out, which places do you like going to? The answer, letter D said, I really like being outdoors, like in parks or on the beach. So this is the answer. Number 4, question number 4, we match it to the answer letter B. So 4B. The question 4 says, who do you spend your free time with? And the answer, I have got 3 or 4 close friends who I play basketball with. So these are the answers of the activity 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, and if you answered in your paper before I say the answers, if you mentioned all the answers correctly, give yourself a big hand, okay? Now, we finished lesson 1 in unit 1. You will do what? You will go back to the website, find your homework and worksheets, answer them. If you have any question, I'm here for you. Goodbye.